Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore a critically important certification in the plastics and packaging industry, RecyClass. If you're working in packaging manufacturing, consumer brands, or plastic recycling, and you want to move your business closer to a circular economy, this video is for you. Stay with us for the next 12 minutes to discover how RecyClass can help your business elevate your brand and access international markets. So what is RecyClass? RecyClass is a cross-industry, non-profit initiative in Europe with a very clear mission. The future of plastic is circular. What's special about RecyClass is that it supports the entire plastic value chain. From initial packaging design, through collection and sorting, to recycling, and finally to using recycled materials in new products. Everything is connected in a closed loop. RecyClass does this through internationally recognized standards and certifications. For businesses, this is a certificate of trust that allows you to, first, enhance the recyclability of your products right from the design stage. Second, be completely transparent about the origin of recycled plastics and recycled content in your products. And third, meet increasingly stringent requirements for environmental protection, circular economy, and sustainable supply chains that major markets are demanding. You might be wondering, why does my business need RecyClass? To answer this question, let's look at what benefits RecyClass brings. First and foremost, it enhances brand credibility. When you have RecyClass certification, you can prove to customers and partners that your product has been assessed by an independent third party according to international standards. This creates tremendous trust in the eyes of consumers, especially younger generations who are increasingly concerned about the environment. Second, RecyClass helps you comply with regulations and international market requirements. This certification is widely recognized in Europe and linked to many other standards. For example, RecyClass recycling process certification is acknowledged by Germany's Blue Angel eco-label, one of the world's most prestigious eco-labels. Third, RecyClass promotes circular economy and reduces environmental risks for businesses. By improving packaging design and increasing the use of recycled materials, you not only protect the environment, but also reduce input material costs. At the same time, you also meet ESG requirements, something that an increasing number of investors and corporate customers care about. And last but not least, expanding export markets. With international certification like RecyClass, Vietnamese businesses can fully access markets with stringent requirements for sustainable plastics such as the EU, USA, or Japan. Now we'll get to the most important part. What certifications does RecyClass offer, and which certification should your business choose? RecyClass is divided into 3 main certification pillars depending on your role in the plastic value chain. The first pillar, Packaging Recyclability Certification, also known as Recyclability Certification. This is certification for packaging manufacturers or brands. Its goal is to assess whether your plastic packaging is compatible with the collection, sorting, and recycling chain. RecyClass will evaluate your packaging design and rate it on a scale of A, B, C, or not recyclable. Specifically, Grade A means over 95% of the material has good recyclability. Grade B is 80 to 95%. Grade C is 70 to 80%. And if below this threshold, it will be rated as not recyclable. To achieve this certification, you need to assess packaging design according to RecyClass's Design for Recycling guidelines, use their online assessment tool, and if eligible, register for an audit. The important thing is you must avoid factors that reduce recyclability, such as hard-to-separate coatings, many different types of materials, or colors and accessories that are difficult to sort. The second pillar, Recycling Process Certification. This is certification specifically for plastic recycling plants. It verifies your ability to recycle plastic waste, including both pre-consumer waste, that is, waste from industry, and post-consumer waste, that is, waste from consumers. This certification is based on international standards such as EN 15343 and ISO 22095. The process is quite simple. First, you need to prove that you process plastic waste and have all the necessary permits. Then you choose a certification body recognized by RecyClass. They will conduct an on-site audit, and if you pass, you'll be issued a certificate along with the right to use the RecyClass logo. Why is this certification important? Because when you're a certified recycler, you become a reliable supplier for brands and manufacturers. They need suppliers like you to be able to participate in the next certification. The third pillar, recycled plastic traceability certification. This is certification for businesses that use recycled plastics in their products or packaging. The goal is to verify origin, recycled content, and complete traceability chain. The condition for achieving this certification is that your recycled materials must come from recyclers who have been certified under recycling process that we just mentioned above, or have equivalent certification. When you achieve this certification, you're authorized to use claims like contains X% recycled plastics certified by RecyClass on product packaging. RecyClass has very detailed guidance on how to calculate recycled content, how to use the logo, and how to make proper declarations. The biggest benefit here is that you can confidently declare to customers, be transparent with the market, and demonstrate your company's social responsibility clearly and with evidence. All right, so how can your business achieve RecyClass certification? To make it easier for you to follow, we've prepared a complete checklist. Step 1. Identify your business role. Are you a packaging manufacturer, brand using recycled plastics, or recycler? Each role will have a different appropriate certification type, as we mentioned above. Step 2. If you're a packaging manufacturer, review your design. Apply RecyClass's Design for Recycling guidelines from the start. Avoid factors that reduce recyclability, such as hard-to-separate coatings, multiple material types, or complex colors. Step 3. Use RecyClass's online assessment tool to preliminarily assess packaging recyclability and see if you achieve grade A, B, or C. Step 4. Prepare complete documentation. This includes records, processes, classification, recycled material usage ratios, packaging design, and internal assessments. Step 5. If you're a recycler, choose a certification body recognized by RecyClass and register for an audit. Step 6. If you use recycled plastics, ensure your materials come from certified recyclers and maintain complete traceability documentation. One extremely important thing I want to emphasize: after achieving certification, you must use the logo and claims correctly according to RecyClass guidelines. Absolutely avoid greenwashing, that is, false green advertising. This can not only damage credibility, but may also violate legal regulations. And finally, remember that RecyClass regularly updates guidelines and requirements. Therefore, you need to monitor continuously to maintain certification and continuously improve. A special note for Vietnamese businesses. Although RecyClass originated in Europe, if you export or work with global brands, this certification has tremendous value. However, you also need to assess local collection and sorting infrastructure to ensure feasibility. If you find this process complex and need a companion, we, ISC Global, are ready to support you. ISC Global is a consulting, training, and international standard certification support provider in Vietnam. We have experience working with many standards such as ISO 14001, GHG Protocol, EcoVadis, and many other sustainability programs. We understand the RecyClass process well and can support you from A to Z. From packaging design assessment, internal team training, audit documentation preparation, selecting appropriate certification bodies, to post-certification support. Our comprehensive solution helps you save time and costs while ensuring you meet international market requirements and enhance brand value. We have accompanied many Vietnamese businesses on their sustainable development journey, and we believe we can do the same for your business. So we've explored RecyClass together, an important certification that helps your business get closer to a circular economy, elevate your brand, and access international markets. If you're looking to elevate your packaging, transition to using recycled plastics, and meet circular economy requirements, RecyClass is the strategic key you need. We invite you to contact ISC Global today to receive a free 30-minute consultation and build a customized RecyClass certification roadmap for your business. Our contact information is displayed on screen. Email info@isccglobal.asia. Hotline +84933 096426. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next valuable content on sustainable development and international standards. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.